welcome to aclaireytale and welcome to this Newport Bay tour. I thought I'd put some clips together showing you the hotel. I did do little bits as I was going along each of the days, so I'm going to insert all of that footage here, show you everything about this hotel. First of all, I just want to say this is the first time I've ever stayed on property in Disneyland Paris, and I've got to say it was just beyond magical. The only times I've come to Disneyland Paris, I've obviously worked here a lot, so I know it inside out, but to stay here, we would stay at the Ibis at Val d'Europe or at the Hotel Elysee at Val d'Europe. I've stayed in those places, but I've never stayed on property, and I would always recommend staying at Val d'Europe, and I tell people all the time to do that. It saves so much money and it's so easy because it's only one stop on the train. But now that I have experienced being in this Disneyland Paris bubble, I've got to say it's just the best. I would recommend it if you can to do that, because getting that sort of, you know, metro into Disney, and it does take you out of the bubble and you don't really realize it when you're doing it, but comparing it to being in this Disney bubble, it's just far better. Being on property, you know, you're already through security, so you don't have to go through all that when you get to the parks. You've got all the cast members who are just so friendly all the time, and yeah, it's like you don't see the outside world, a bit like when you stay on property in Florida as well. Just being in that Disney bubble, I highly recommend doing it, and I'm so glad that we did do that. It made it easier to get to the parks as well, and no hassle of wondering, you know, what train to get. We just walked straight in. It was amazing. There was only a few negatives, I would say, and it's only because it is so hot while we're here, and not complaining. I love the heat. I've been so thankful that it has been so hot. But the rooms are not like American rooms. The AC is not like in America. It's pretty much like in the UK, where we don't really need it, so we don't have it, and it's a bit like that here. We've not been able to get this room cold. We've been hot at night trying to sleep. It's just been roasting. But that's the only negative, that I kind of wish they had a bit of a better AC. But other than that, our stay here has been fabulous. So I'm going to show you a bit of the lobby, a bit around the hotel, walk to the pool, and then I'll do an overview of the room as well. So let's have a look around Newport Bay Hotel. I am outside now, and I thought I'd show you the hotel from out here and all the grounds. It's lovely sunny weather now, so I'm gonna take you around, and if you are thinking of staying here, at least you can see what it's like. We've got a lighthouse there, and then this is the hotel. It's absolutely massive, and it goes round to there as well, and all around the back. Such a big hotel, and we're here on Lake Disney. Over here we've got Sequoia Lodge, and then on this side is Hotel New York. And then you can just see the balloon popping out. That's Disney Village. So it's all fairly close together, close proximity. It only takes a few minutes to walk around this lake. There's a better look at the Hotel New York from here. So it's not too far of a walk. And this is the hotel. You've got the restaurants in these areas. We've got the swimming pool over here. I'll just walk up to it and show you the inside. So there is an outdoor pool here at Newport Bay Hotel. You can just see a glimpse of it there. This is the indoor pool. I did film what the pool looks like, so I'll put that clip in here. Look at this! There's a boat in the pool. That is epic. So the Newport Bay Hotel, it's a little bit like Yacht Club. It's all based around nautical themes. There's lots of blues and stripes and boats, and it's really, really cool theme inside. But let's go in. I'll show you the restaurants and the reception and everything. So as you enter, we've got this lovely carpet. So this is the Cape Cod restaurant, if you can see in there. It's great. Every table has a bottle of antibac. And then as you enter, there is Auntie back here as well. Oh, I need my other hand. Okay, so you come into here and you can go up these stairs up to reception, which I will show you in a second. But it's a really nice little room here. Some lovely artwork, all the flags. And then if you come into here, so Cape Cod is on the right, which is where I just showed you. You've got €38 and it's a buffet, but they do table service at the moment. That's open from 6 till 10:30, so it's all closed up right now. And then on the other side, you've got Yacht Club. Some stroller parking. And then yeah, this is Yacht Club. And this is open from 6:30 till 10:30 p.m. as well. I'm not going to be able to show you inside here. So let's go up. They've made this one way. So you can go up that side and you go back down on this side, which is really good. So that's if you're coming in from Disney Village and the parks, if you're walking. If you are getting the bus or you're getting dropped off into Newport Bay, you would come into these doors where the security scanners are. You've got your Compass Club here on the left, and then reception would be on your right. But let's just go left over here to the bar and the convention centre. So this is the bar. We had a drink here the other night. It's really relaxed. Again, I don't think this opens until 6. Oh no, it opens at 1, sorry. It's 1 till 1 a.m, so that's handy. This is called Captain's Quarters Bar. Actually, let me just show you. So that's what it looks like inside. They don't do hot food. I did have the garlic bread, so that's the only hot food they have. And these are all the cocktails they have. Oh, there are the snacks down there. So it's kind of like cold sandwiches and crisps and things. And then this is the Compass Club Lounge. And then down here is the convention centre. Should we go down? I've not been down here. Should we go down and have a little look at that? Ooh, it's very nice down here. I don't know how far I can actually go here. But it's very grand. Oh, this is absolutely humongous. This is very impressive. So this is the check-in then for anyone that's on a conference. Back in the middle where we came up, and the hotel is split into East Wing and West Wing. So we were actually staying at the East Wing, which is through this way. But this is the reception as well. This is where Mickey and Minnie in their sailor outfits, they would stand with this wheel after the parks were closed. They were always here. I don't know what times they do, but we always saw them, which was a lovely welcome from the parks. And then this is the reception. So you've got all your arrival desks and concierge over there as well. They do have a shop here as well. This is one way too, so this comes out that way, in this way. I'll take you in here. Let's have a little look. It's quite a big shop actually. You've got most things in here. I love the nautical Mickey. It's like we're on the ship. And the birds up there. So the shop pretty much has everything you need. You've got ornaments, clothes, all the toys, cuddly toys, pins, bags. You've got ears, more bags. There's some snacks as well here as well if you wanted any of those. Goofy sweets. Do they have the worms here? No. Oh, they've got the crocodiles. There's a few little nooks and crannies along the way. What's that? Oh, a printer. And then we've got the elevators. You can only have one family in per elevator, and it ended up being okay actually. We didn't ever have to wait. There's some stairs as well if you want to get the stairs. So this is all on floor 2. I'm going to go down the stairs to floor 1 and show you the pool and everything. These are what all the corridors look like. I love the theming. I love the stripes and the blues and all the anchors. These are the stairs. On the first floor you've got a fitness centre and a swimming pool. So I will just take you to have a look. The fitness room is in here. Can I show it to you? Oh fab, so this is the fitness room. Nice and big. Some weights there. Oh, and you can have a view of the outside. And then down here we have got the swimming pool. So this is where you would enter. It's called the Nantucket pool. There's a reception here, so you check in here and then go in here to the changing rooms. You will need to scan your app here and give in your details. So now let's head up to floor 5 and I'll show you our floor. They have East Wing and West Wing, and we're in the East Wing, and I will just show you our room now. How good are these corridors? Extremely nautical. This one is our room, but every day you get 4 coffees loaded up on here, and you just use this machine to get your choice of coffee each morning, and then they reload every day with another 4. You've got your ice machine as well. We've been using that a lot. And then I'm going to show you a room tour now. And this is our bedroom. Isn't it gorgeous? I love those headrests with Mickey wheels on. And the carpet has a little Mickey and rope. How cute is that? I love this theming. It's very yacht club. The wallpaper got Mickey, Donald in the portholes. Love that. Pluto. It's really big. Loads of space here. There's loads of storage. Little vanity mirror with some plugs. Oh, this is great. You've got 2 plugs and an English plug, an English socket. That's really handy, isn't it? Isn't this lovely? And we've got some water and a television. Ice bucket. And then let me show you, we've got a full length mirror as well. And then let me show you in here. So you can draw this curtain, and we've got space for your wardrobe. There's an iron and an ironing board. There's a safe, all the hangers that you need. We've got storage, and we've got a sink. There's Disneyland Paris, little bottles, soap, hairdryer, then the bathroom. More Mickey little soaps. And that's the shower. What's this one? Oh, that's good that they've got a reusable one for that. Little seat here, and then a toilet. They have a wristband system here in the hotels, which has been brilliant. The people that give you the wristband check that you are double vaccinated. They will use the 2 anti-COVID app to check that you have been double vaccinated, and then they change this daily, and it just means that you are free to roam the hotel, the pool, without them having to check your app. But actually we found that most places still do check your app, which we're happy about. Makes you feel really safe, and you know that everybody here is double vaccinated or they have been tested negative in the last 48 hours. So let's go back outside for one last look at the hotel. I'm going to finish this video of Newport Bay with it getting smaller in the background. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the tour and seeing what the hotel's all about, and if you are interested in staying here, it might have answered any questions that you had. I thoroughly enjoyed staying here, and just staying on site has just been so magical. It just made us stay in that Disney bubble extra long, and it felt so nice. If you do have any questions about the resort or anything at all, do let me know. Have you guys stayed here before? I'd love to hear what you thought of the hotel. Let me know below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Make your memories, make your memories, take your pictures, make your memories, catching little pieces of time, making them yours, making them mine.